This is seedling day 24, and as you can see, the tomatoes are getting several layers of limbs now. They're becoming very leafy. They're able to stand up much better on their own. These are the determinates. And down here are the indeterminates. They're also doing well, standing up much better. These were all fertilized midweek. So we're seeing a lot more growth. It seems to be doing very well. These are the jalapeños. They didn't take. We're going to get rid of this sometime midweek. The sweet peppers are doing great. They have their true leaves coming out. The eggplant are much slower developers, but they're getting their true leaves. They're at different levels or stages of development. You can see some of these have just come out and some are further along. That's fine. And finally, we have our bottom row. This is the soil that I wasn't happy with, but I'm still getting some to germinate, start. Very happy with that. All right.